Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate transfer sheets at home. First, gather your materials. You'll need clean acetate sheets, about 100 grams of properly tempered chocolate, and a printer. Tempering your chocolate is crucial for a shiny, stable result, so make sure it's done correctly. Next, print your desired design onto a standard sheet of paper. This will serve as your guide for the chocolate application. Having everything ready makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Once your design is printed, place it flat on a clean, dry surface. Now, carefully lay a clear acetate sheet directly over your printed design. It's important that the acetate is perfectly clean to ensure a flawless transfer. You can use a small piece of tape on the corners to secure the acetate to your work surface, preventing any shifting while you work. This step ensures your chocolate design will be precisely aligned with your chosen pattern. Now for the fun part. Take your perfectly tempered chocolate and pour a small amount onto the acetate sheet, directly over your design. Using an offset spatula or a pastry scraper, spread the chocolate quickly and evenly across the entire design. Aim for a thin, consistent layer, about 1 to 2 millimeters thick, to ensure a crisp transfer. Work efficiently, as tempered chocolate sets relatively fast, especially if your room is cool. After spreading the chocolate, let it set completely. You can leave it at room temperature for about 30 minutes, or if you're in a hurry, place it in the refrigerator for 10 to 15 minutes. Once fully set, the chocolate will be firm and dull. Now, gently peel the acetate sheet away from the chocolate. Your beautiful design should now be perfectly transferred onto the chocolate, ready to adorn your desserts. Enjoy your homemade chocolate decorations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.